Class from Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Katani Kalan. I live in a Chaksarwanath village in the district of Ludhiana. Today I am going to tell you about artificial intelligence in schools. Let's know what is AI. Intelligence displayed by machines is known as artificial intelligence. Cricket is an internationally well-known game, and changes in technology influence the game with the significant advancements. Spectacom investigated the science behind the batting using the artificial intelligence. Moreover, it helps to predict the distance in the Moreover, it helps to predict the distance that it covers when flying off and time to reach the boundary. Now, benefits of sensor stickers on the bat. You can see the performance on the mobile apps as well. Team coaches can get a clear picture of batsman's weakness and strengths. It then helps to coaches to share their thoughts clearly with the batsman to improve the area of batsman weakness. At the end, I am thankful to WiselyWise, which provide us artificial intelligence courses from which we can gain many knowledge about artificial intelligence. Thank you, ma'am.